Come walk with me. So I'm going to show you how this all comes together. As you can see, there's a waterfall over there. But look at these. Look at, can you see all the turtles? They're so cute. Oh, we're going to go through so you can see it all. Look at them. Look at that huge swan. That's a big boy. It's just a beautiful place. Like, I didn't even know this was even here. But I'll tell you, I do now. My mornings are about to be super lit. That's a straight shot here, too. Oh, yeah. This is it. I love me. Hey, duckies, what are you doing? Sorry, I'm going to go by yous, okay? But I don't want to bother you. Oop, and we got more turtles. Hey, Bubby. This is what I'm talking about. I was looking crazy.